Interactive Intelligence provides the most innovative products and services available today for the contact center, enterprise IP telephony, and enterprise messaging. At Interactive Intelligence, it's what we do. Look at them, all those multi-point, multi-vendor systems your contact center uses to manage communications. Not a pretty picture, is it? So picture this: one platform, one application suite, and one administration interface from one vendor to unify your communication infrastructure and reduce costs. We call it All-in-One and offer it as a premise-based or hosted software-as-a-service solution. Around the world, contact centers use our platform-based Customer Interaction Center solution to handle all types of interactions and add functionality whenever needed without multi-point complexity. This solution also gives them an open software architecture for SIP, easier deployment, encryption-based security, scalability from 50 to 5,000 agents, and broader integration to end-user devices and business systems, including Microsoft's Office Communications Server. One intelligent solution from one proven vendor, Customer Interaction Center. Take a look at everything CIC does. For multi-channel management, CIC equips local and remote agents and supervisors to handle all types of media in a single, completely configurable desktop application. Beyond the contact center, enterprise users get the same client capability for business communications. Using CIC's intuitive client interface to handle calls, for example, agents get an instant view of where an incoming call is coming from, plus the telephone number and corresponding queue. The client interface lets agents also access phone and headset functions directly from the desktop, call controls, on-demand or rules-based call recording, one-click supervisor assistance, and simple drag-and-drop call transfers. Client integration options additionally support screen pop and embedded call control toolbars in popular third-party CRM applications. To monitor agent availability, the client's drop-down status menu displays a user's status, controlled by the agent or through CIC's ACD, all in real time. Ultimately, to improve service levels, the interaction client lets agents view real-time performance statistics to see how many calls are waiting. Agents can also drill into statistics for their shift to see how they compare against other agents. Because consumers insist on multi-channel options, CIC's multi-channel queuing effectively handles calls, emails, text chats, callback requests, and customer-defined objects equally. By treating all interaction types uniformly, CIC allows agents to put web chats or emails on hold, transfer or record them, and request assistance whenever needed. Agents can also quickly respond to chats and emails with pre-authored drag-and-drop responses and with URLs that automatically push a customer's browser to a particular site. For supervisors, CIC's real-time statistical displays put local and remote agents in full view at all times. System alerts let supervisors also make informed, split-second decisions to ensure quality service levels, while whisper coaching, conferencing, tracking, and other monitoring features equip them to make agents as effective as possible. Other pre-integrated modules in the CIC system let supervisors focus on quality monitoring for compliance and service improvements. Beginning with the Interaction Recorder module, a supervisor can record, score, and track calls, plus emails, faxes, and web chats. Supervisors can additionally leverage Recorder's Interaction Screen Recorder module to capture the screen activity of any agent handling a call, and can utilize agent scoring questionnaires to simplify quality assessment processes. IT professionals get a single interface in CIC to provision users and administer things like dialing properties, outbound campaigns, and security. Even ACD settings are easy to configure and maintain. For routines to route calls, emails, faxes, and callback requests, CIC's Interaction Attendant provides an easy-to-use graphical environment to define them. Use Interaction Attendant's IVR, ACD, PBX, and other configuration tools to also structure database lookups, create unlimited navigational menus, and more. To create new contact center applications, pre-built tools in CIC's Interaction Designer let IT staff utilize industry standards to rapidly deploy ACD interaction flows and database access routines, as well as IVR menus and business workflows. In essence, this single customization environment allows your contact center to drive virtually any interaction process or media type, including advanced functionality for XML, SOAP, email, fax, SMS, and more. In one system, CIC lets you expand functionality by simply adding modules when needs and market opportunities dictate. Interaction Dialer for outbound and blended predictive dialing, campaign management, work scheduling, multimodal campaigns, and regulatory compliance options. Interaction Tracker for archiving every interaction you have with customers and organizations. Interaction Optimizer for workforce management, including forecasting and scheduling based on CIC's historical ACD data, along with real-time adherence. Interaction Feedback to automate customer satisfaction surveys that measure service levels in an accurate, timely, and cost-effective manner. And Interaction Director for intelligent pre-call and post-call routing in the multi-site contact center environment, routing anything from a standard phone call to customer-defined objects such as work orders or incident reports. All add-on modules are easily configured and managed in CIC's Interaction Administrator interface for an immediate and positive impact on your contact center's success. For over a decade, Customer Interaction Center has given contact centers one system from a single vendor for every interaction management need, as well as for enterprise communications needs. And totally unlike multi-system, multi-vendor products, CIC's single integrated architecture has reduced communications complexity, along with the costs of one piece of hardware after another. Innovation, experience, value. Let CIC bring optimum performance to your contact center. At Interactive Intelligence, it's what we do. For more information on the Customer Interaction Center from Interactive Intelligence, visit us on the web, call us, or contact your local authorized Interactive Intelligence reseller.